The palace of the Maharaja of Mysore. This palace was built by Krishna Rajavadiya and he was the 24th king of Mysore. It took 15 years to build, from 1897 and completed in 1912. And the cost was 42 lakhs rupees at that time. And architect by the British architect Henry Irving. And there was a wooden palace here before this palace was built. It was built in 1800. During the time of marriage in 1897, the wooden palace got burned down in fire accident. Then they removed the whole wall structure. On the same place built a new palace. See, that was the model of the wooden palace which is got burned down. Still Mysore royal family descendants, they are living behind the palace in very old house. 27 descendants. And the entire palace complex will be 55 acres. Every Sunday and the public holidays, exterior building, the palace is going to be lit up. Between 7 and 8 in the evening, approximately 1 lakh bulb. Due to Corona, at present there is no light illumination. See, the ceilings are plaster of Paris. It paints on plaster of Paris. To paint, they use the natural colors. 109 years old. It is not repainted. So in this palace, we have a big festival in October, Dasara.
Okay.
Until 1970, king was participating, and he was sitting in the first floor for 9 days Navaratri celebration. Now we have the classical music in front of the palace, organized by the state government. And the last day, the procession begins from here. It moves from here to the main city. King was seated on the back of the elephant until 1970 to participate in Dasara festival. After 1970, the goddess statue is going to be placed on the elephant. It's made out of 5 metal, Panchloha. Real skin of the elephant.
Real?
On the skin they applied the chemical and stuffed it. Eyes and the tusks are artificial. One more is there. Both the elephants hunt in the forest by the 25th king in 1955. Tusk of the elephant on the wall.
Real?
Yeah, those elephants are participated in Dasara festival during the time of the king. When the elephant died naturally, they removed the tusk.
Okay.
For the memory of those elephants, it fixed on the wall. And these are all the Mysore traditional wooden dolls of different gods and goddesses, and the collections of the royal family of the Mysore. It is going to be placed around the elephant every year during the time of Dasara festival on 10th day for the Dasara procession. Until 1970, king was seated in to participate in Dasara festival. After 1970, the goddess statue of Durga, which I seen in the beginning, it is going to be placed in. Total weight will be 750 kg, but gold is 80 kg, 80. On the wood, fix the gold sheet of 24 carat, and they will select the elephant to carry this. Elephant should weigh minimum 4,000 kg, 4 tons. Then only it is able to balance. When the king was going to the first floor, in the middle of the steps, the red carpet was covered. To hold the carpet, the clamps are made out of brass. In the mud, red color, you can see the mark there. On the mud, 2 people are going to fight. It is a tradition. It is not an competition, it is an exhibition. The royal family will sit in balcony and they will watch.
Yeah.
See, behind that balcony, present king is living. Yes. See, look at the tiger. It looks like stone. Actually, it's a bronze. Because of climate, it turned into green color. Sun and rain. Called mud dressing. The floor will fill with the mud. Red color, you can see the mark there. And the mud too. There are 6 more in front of the palace. 120 years old. one procession of many sequences. To paint all this, 6 artists took 14 years between 1931 to 1944. So now we are entering into the royal family's wedding pavilion, marriage hall. The marriage pavilion of the royal family of the Mysore. Still royal family marriages are going to take place here. Yeah, the king who lives behind the palace, 27, he was married here 7 years before. And his wife is from Rajasthan Dungarpur royal family. At present they have 4 years old male kid. All the materials here from Europe. See that glass from Glasgow, Scotland, chandelier from Czechoslovakia, the tiles are from England, and the pillars are round piece, bottom to top. It's an iron pillar from Glasgow, Scotland. See the olden days fan from GE, General Electric. Telangana, or now it is Telangana, it was Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
Hails from Telugu area,
Okay.
Raghavula Naidu. So many people worked in the palace in Mysore Kingdom. They are from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
See, he was the king who built this palace, Krishna Rajavadiya, the 24th king of Mysore. And that is the painting of the throne. At present, the real one is in the treasury of the palace. Every year in October, it's going to be exhibited in first floor for the public view 4 months. 1 month, 4 weeks. It's made of gold of 280 kilograms. The king's mother, when she was very young, that is the real photograph of 125 years, approximately 18 to 20 years. Photograph. See the same lady here, over. And this is the painting.
Okay.
See the painting of the Mysore silk saree. Those days, to prepare the Mysore silk, they were using the real gold thread.
Where can we find pure Mysore silk sarees here?
See on the saree, you can observe the gold color, gold, that is the real gold thread those days they were using. To paint that, they used the 24 karat gold powder. 9-yard saree, now it is 9 meter. See the daughter and son-in-law. 27 feet. Palace got burned down. Second sister, third sister. See one in the middle, young boy, 25th king. He was the king of Mysore till independence. Now his grandson only lives behind the palace. See that painting was painted by Raja Ravi Verma in 1885. 24th king, 1 year old baby with his 2 sisters. Original painting of Raja Ravi Verma. The Queen and the King of England, Alexander Edward VII, the British ruled here. For that reason, we have the paintings. Wooden cabin, still it is in very good condition. From the beginning, functioning with electricity. The royal family used to go from here to the first floor. See, it is written over there, AC lift. It is not an air condition, alternative current. See the huge tusk. It is from that elephant painted in the middle. That elephant died naturally. Later they removed the tusk. For the memory of that elephant, it fixed on the frame because that elephant participated those days so many years with the king for the Dasara festival. The silver chair was used by the king those days for the meetings. Two small chairs are crystal glass from Belgium, collections of the royal family, and the dressing table from Italy. See, look at the work. These are all hand carved by local artists. Burma tea, it's carved on the floor, then put it up. Different pieces with the design of the lotus flower. The king's life-size statue, who built this palace, was very short, 5 feet. Statue is made out of plaster of Paris. King's personal bodyguards cut out. Victoria time clock, 161-year-old. When it was working, they used to wipe. From past 15 years, it is not in working condition. It used to work in pendulum system. See, look at here, the beautiful hall. See, that is the main entrance gate of the palace. East gate is the main entrance gate. And you are entered from the south gate. Tourists will be allowed only from the south gate, from the beginning. So this was the place where the king was celebrated Navaratri festival every year in the month of October until 1970. And this was the sitting place of the king on the throne of 280 kilograms of throne. You have seen that painting below in the gallery, that is facing towards the east. Publics are ground floor. This is the gallery for the VIPs, balcony for royal families, and this gallery for VIPs, green gallery, Mysore dignitaries. See, all these paintings are hand painted. Different pieces.
In at 1 minute. Yeah. Start.
So, from that gallery to this gallery, 225 feet.
Okay.
And ceilings are supported by the steel beams kept on the granite pillar, the exterior, interior on the bricks pillar.
Okay.
From here to there, 120 feet.
Okay.
120 by 225, no pillars. To product from the public.
So entirely gold.
Yeah, yellow color.
Okay.
Gold leaf.
Leaf.
See, the upper part is gold powder. Mysore. It's known as rosewood ivory inlet, and this was the famous work of Mysore. After designing the wood, according to the depth of the design, chip it the layers of the ivory, cut the layers according to the design and fix in. It's called inlet. In the shops of Mysore, still you can find work like this. But now they use plastic because using of ivory is banned.
Yes.
Behind this door, King's family temple of Ganesh, only for King's family. So look at the same work and design is different. The white part is real ivory. here until independence, 1947. King was holding the meetings here with his ministers for an administration of the kingdom, like a boardroom today. So that was the sitting place of the king, opposite. In front of the pillars, either side the ministers. Now in the month of October, that is Dasra, the throne of 280 kilogram will be displayed here for the public view 1 month. Look at these paintings. To paint this yellow color, they used the 24 karat gold powder. It mixed with the water, chemical, converted liquid and painted. So much of gold used here because the king was having a gold mine which is near Bangalore,
Okay.
Kolar Goldfield. That's why they use a lot of gold. It is from the old palace. When the wooden palace got burned out, they saved the door. For the memory of the palace, it fixed into the wall, but nothing behind. Dummy entrance. And that was the king's entrance, middle door. So he used to come to the meeting after prayer in the temple. Behind this door, there is a temple of Ganesh. And he used to walk through from here. No political system at all. In future days, we have few buildings, that's all. Now apartment system. So those days the portico system. So it was 8 years before, due to heart attack at the age of 60. And he was a member of parliament from Mysore, 4 times on Congress ticket. His son is not interested in politics now. At present, who is living behind the palace. See, these ornaments are going to decorate for the Dasra elephants every year now. It's a brass and gold plated. They were using the real gold one till 1970. So it goes right after the collection.
नंबर 1953 1953 वो राजा का डेट ऑफ बर्थ नंबर है, ऑल कार सेम नंबर।
वो घोड़े एलिफेंट्स वो नंबर भी
वो एनिमल हाउस है, 6 एलिफेंट 4 कैमल 81 काउस 21 हॉर्सेस, ऑल एनिमल सब अंदर है। 6 एलिफेंट बैक साइड में रहता है।